pa yung ano yan. Yung...
Panis. Alright, so community member Heat. He buys a lot of my shit. Thank you. Nabigay niya si Rice. Na-dox ko na si Rice. Yan yung video editor ko. Ano nabigay?
Keycaps.
Wow.
Keycaps.
Ano pa?
Mechanical keyboard.
Anong specs yung keyboard? Anong switch? Anong lahat?
Yeah, KPD 67
So
Lite.
keyboard with keycaps.
Oh.
With
Tactile switches.
Yan, no?
So over.
Nice. Ano pa? Mouse, diba?
Mouse.
Oh.
Uy, hindi super light yan, pero it looks like it. So, it's...
Saan yung mousepad? Yan ang gusto ko magtingnan. Oh. Walang presence. Oh, yan. Panis. Fly high. Oh, sige. Dapat mas mabilis yung edits mo na, ha?